next week's show at
homework@hogarth-academy.co.uk.
Here's what's coming up on today's show. Last week we set you the challenge of creating a bird feeder for all the wildlife around your garden. We have picked the winners and they are Ruby Ray and Charlie. Well done. TJ with a lovely hanging basket sort of bird feeder. Scarlett, well done. And a special shout out to Raven who created some beautiful cacti. Well done. Have you seen our special message on Hogarth's website?
If you want to see the rest, go to hogarth-academy.co.uk. A special thanks to all the teachers for getting involved. This week's competition is a hidden objects game. We have zoomed in on 6 different objects around the school. You've got to try and work out which each one is. Send in your answers to homework@hogarth-academy.co.uk, and if you get all 6 answers right, you'll get a prize delivered next week. Good luck!
Hi, good morning Hogarth. Welcome to another edition of our Super Good Morning Hogarth. You have been fabulous with all your working online and we may be seeing some of you soon. I'm currently ringing round your grown-ups to see who we will see and who we may not. But I know if we don't see you soon, you'll keep up the good work on J2E. Take care, see you soon.